Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We had our first install. This is a first gen Tacoma with a four-wheel camper. I guarantee you it's been done before, but this is the first time here at the shop. I wanted to do a really quick walkthrough, tell you which camper we ordered to fit this, because technically Four Wheel Campers doesn't make a camper for this truck. So let's jump right into it. This thing is bone stock. There's nothing special about it other than it being a first gen. We put our sealing gasket all the way around the edge, and right here you have about, oh man, because it kind of like bows in the back for most of the older Tacomas. I'm gonna say you have about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch right at the closest point. At the top here, we're going about 3 inches from top of the cab to bottom of the camper. She opted for some roto packs. Then in the back, we got a second gen Tacoma. So it's a second gen Tacoma camper. It's literally the perfect length. I think the only thing I would do differently is this came out really nice. It looks nice. Is this tailgate fitting piece doesn't fit perfect. Like I think it could fit better, but it does work. Nice fitment. We also added our gasket down here underneath, so it holds really, really well. As you can see here, it says Tacoma 05 to 15 4-door. So this is a specific tailgate overlay piece is for a second gen. Obviously, we've made it work for a first gen. Now jumping inside the cab here, we have 6 attachment points, 3 on this side, 3 on this side. We use enlarged washers, centered it up onto the bed itself. And then where we made the holes, we went right through the bed, added an elongated washer. So 6 fastening points was enough for this project. The difficult point will probably be sealing around the edges. As you can see, we added an extra gasket here and here, which does help, but does not seal it perfectly. Could probably use another version of it, plus a seal along the bottom might be useful. Other than that, these project M's allow you to still have the bed of your truck usable while also having the pop-up portion of this camper so that you can put a bed up there, sleep, have a fan, solar. Like project M's are kind of like an empty book ready to be written. Whether you put a vessel system inside of it, just a simple power solution, you use it for construction, then for hunting. Like, this is the most versatile camper in my opinion on the market, especially with the ability to have the pop-up and a large bed that can slide out all the way to here. And I want to say that length is just over 6 feet. I think it's 6.5 feet. Anyway, super useful. Other than that, wanted just to let you guys know that it is possible. So if you have a first gen Tacoma, you're wanting like the ultimate camping cap to go on your truck, and don't want to opt for one that kind of goes with the truck, because then the bed ends up being, you know, the sleeping portion ends up being like 4-ish feet. Project M's do fit on the first gens. They look amazing, and this video just proves that. So if you want one, you're in the Boise, Idaho area, swing by Apex Off-Road. Let's get you set up.